Alright, what is going on YouTube? This is your boy DeVintage, man. We back at it with another video today. You read the title. We picked up three, not one, not two, but three pair of the Air Jordan 1 UNC or Obsidian UMC, whatever you want to call it. The Obsidian ones. Cop three pairs. Cop one from Foot Locker, one from the PX here on Post, and I got one from Shoe Palace, man. And the ones from Foot Locker and the ones from On Post I got for under retail. And the ones from On Post was like $128. So that was a major comment. Before we get too deep into this video, right now what I need you guys to do is subscribe to the channel. We're trying to hit that 18K by tonight, man. I'm about to put this video out to you guys. Hope you guys share, hope you guys like it, comment, and let me know how everybody did. So you took an L, W, all that in the comment section below. Make sure you follow me over on Instagram at DeVintage World, man. Link in the description box below. I appreciate all of the support. 18K about to be lit, man. I'm about to go to see Young Thug tonight in Dallas, Texas. So hopefully that turned out very well. I'm bringing the camera along with me for that little vlog or whatever. So make sure you tune into my second channel with me going to see Young Thug live in concert for my second time. The first time was in Oklahoma. Now it's gonna be in Dallas, Texas. So y'all boys go subscribe to my second channel. Link in the description box below as well. So with all that being said, let's jump right into this video, man. Let's get it. All right, so like I said, got three pair other ones. The first pair was from the PX. And the thing that I really wanted to talk about in this video was the differences in quality that I seen today. Like the Retro Wiz Kid, y'all gonna see his video. He should have his video up by tonight or something like that. But one of his pairs was super tumble, super buttery. Looked like Rumpelstiltskin. Like the leather was super plush. It looked nice. And then one pair looked like they didn't even have leather on it. It looked so stiff, like a Jordan 1 out the metallic pack. And I was like, dang, bro, they hit you with some trash quality on this one. I'm not sure on why they do that to us. Jordan brand really be fucking up with the inconsistencies in the quality. But my first pair, like I said, I got for 128 bucks, major steal. Checking out this pair right here. Let's check it out. See, this leather right here looks the same as the one the Retro Wiz Kid has. It's only got no texture to it, no good leather quality. I'm guessing the ones the PX had was like some B grades or like the shoes Jordan brand really didn't care about, and they sent to PX just to, you know what I'm saying, show their military appreciation. But the quality on here is not good at all, man, to be honest. Check it out. I mean, it's good, don't get me wrong, but I'm just trying to compare it to the pair that the Retro Wiz Kid had. Was super tumble. Y'all gonna see my pair that I got from Foot Locker that was actually nice and decent in quality. Toe box is good. Everything is like, I don't see a lot of quality control issues, but the major issue for me was the inconsistency in the leather quality on the side panels. Like, so y'all get a good visualization of this one right here, and I'm comparing them all to end. But check this out. Look at this leather. It don't got no type of tumbleness to it. It just looks like a plain side panel. But like I said, I'm gonna show you the other pair and y'all gonna see the major difference. And let me know if I'm tripping or not. So here goes PX pair. We're gonna set these things to the side right here. Check them out, and blam. All right, checking out the pair from Shoe Palace. Check it out right here. I got this one for retail, and I had to buy like a pair of laces to go with it. I don't know why, but they made me buy extra pair of laces. Check it out, same box, of course, all size 9. And check out this leather. So this one is a little bit step up from the one y'all just seen. Like, so I'm gonna show you them all at the end of the video so you can see, but check it out. You can see a nice little tumbleness to this one, right? This one looks a lot better than the one we just seen before. But then on this one, the toe box don't look as good. Like, what's going on? They all size 9, same size, so I'm not pretty sure what is going on with the inconsistency in our leather quality. So the side panels on this one is good, but the toe box is not as good as the ones that I got from the PX, which had the better toe box, and the side panels was super trash, man. So check this one out. This one I got from the PX, and just for the record, these are already sold. So if you're trying to ask me to sell them to you or something like that, StockX already got them, man. I already got that bread, and these things is gone. But here it goes, Shoe Palace pair right here. Set these to the side real quick. And the last pair, the best pair that I got from Foot Locker is right here. Check it out. Blam, pull these things out. The best pair out of the bunch. Look at the leather quality on the side of these shoes right here. It looks way better. And it got good leather on the toe box as well, man. Like, Foot Locker pair was definitely the best one, and this is the one I'm gonna keep. You know, I'm not really into that doubling up, tripling up, stuff like that. If I can make a little money off this shoe, hey, I guess I'm a reseller now. But look at this one, very dope in quality. This is the pair, like I said, I'm keeping. And yeah, check it out. Here goes the right shoe right here, and here goes the left shoe. Even the left shoe got some nice leather quality on the side panels as well, even on the toe box, man. It's crazy, man. So I'm not really sure what is going on with the differences in quality. Like I said, We're gonna do a comparison real quick over the pair that had no tumble to it, which is from the PX, like I said, and then the one I got from Foot Locker. Look at the difference in the quality. Look at this. Look at that. And then look at this right here. Nothing to the leather, but this one right here is killing this pair right here, man. It's crazy, bro. Very crazy. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. Kind of wanted to recap these Air Jordan 1 Obsidian, see how people did, see if people took L's, W's, how they hit. They came up on a lucky W like I did with the Satins. I got like the second pair for, I think I got a size 7.5, and I wasn't even supposed to get it. I went to the mall just chilling, hanging out with my boys, and they said they had a size 7.5 left, and I ended up flipping that thing for like 5 something. So made both of my money back for both the shoes and some, so you couldn't beat that. So let me know how I did on these. Also, am I officially a reseller, man? Like, that's the big question nowadays. And I've been questioning myself, man, especially these Air Jordan 1s been releasing. And I've been making money off both of these Air Jordan 1s that I've been picking up these last couple weeks. And it's an easy, legal hustle, man. Like, you can get a shoe, pay retail for it, and you can sell it for like $200-300 over the retail price. I don't think you can beat that. I never had a problem with resellers. I was always mad when I didn't get my pair, and I knew the resellers sucked things up. And now your boy got 3 pairs of these. I'm only keeping one, of course, because like I said, I'm not into that doubling up and all that type of stuff. I'm gonna get 1 pair, rock those things until they release again, because eventually all the shoes that have released are gonna release again. It's just a matter of time on when Jordan Brand is gonna do it, when they're gonna pull the trigger, when it's the best time for them to make their money to market it, you feel me? So your boy might, if I keep doubling up, tripling up, stuff like that, if I keep making my money back and some, I think I'm gonna declare myself as a reseller. So like I said, I appreciate everybody for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. We're gonna grind at 18K, but the bigger picture is 20,000 subscribers. Help me get there, man. Channel's moving a little bit more steadily, I would say. And I appreciate that from all of my subscribers, OG and the new ones, man. So shouts out to you. Follow me over on Instagram at DeVintage, man. Link will be in the description box below. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. I'm actually gonna do another video right after this. I'm gonna review and on feet over the best pair right here that I got from Foot Locker. So y'all stay tuned for that. Make sure our notification bell is rung. And yeah, stay tuned with the channel. Y'all gonna see this thing very, very soon. I'm gonna catch you in the next one, man. Peace.